You guys, I have picked the phone on the side road as I was walking, and I didn't open it. So let's see what is inside. I had a little bit of weight. I knew there was something inside, so I didn't open it. So let's open it together and see. I think this guy dropped his phone. I think he just bought it and something happened and he dropped it because it looks new. Let's see. I don't know, guys. Should I try find the person or should I use this one? And I think the guy is hurt where he is right now. He's really hurt. It's an A06. It looks nice. Got fingerprints on the screen. Let's try not to turn it on. It's not. Oh, it's turning on. It's turning on. Guys, please tell me what to do. Should I keep this phone or should I look for the owner of this one? It is a telecom SIM card. It's from SA. It's a South African mobile carrier telecom. There's only a cable inside the manual. It's not new, but it's new. It's a nice one. It's a nice one. I'm thinking about keeping it to myself. It's a good phone. Let's check the specs. I know the owner right now is looking for his phone right now. Let's check the specs. $64 gig, that's too low. 4 gig RAM. I think I'm going to look for the owner of this phone. And give him more info. And I think he is going to be happy. He's going to be happy. It's an A06 phone. I don't know how he dropped it because it was on the side road. And yeah. I'm going to look for the owner and I'm going to give him his phone. So guys, that's it for the video. I don't know. Should I keep it, guys? No, I won't keep it. I'm going to look for the owner. I'm going to look for the owner and give him his phone.